In 1964, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, two radio astronomers at Bell Labs, stumbled upon a perplexing static while calibrating a sensitive horn antenna. Could this mysterious hiss be mere interference from nearby New York City, or perhaps the droppings of nesting pigeons? Relentlessly troubleshooting, they cleaned the antenna and ruled out all earthly sources. As tension mounted, a realization dawned: this persistent noise wasn't from Earth at all. It was, in fact, the cosmic microwave background radiation, an echo from the Big Bang itself, bathing the universe in a faint afterglow. This serendipitous discovery not only confirmed the Big Bang theory but also opened a new chapter in our understanding of the cosmos, transforming an annoying hum into a celestial symphony that revealed the universe's fiery birth.